Hi everyone, welcome to another Google Classroom tutorial brought to you by the Academic Office of the Waterbury Public Schools. I'm Dr. Michelle Eckler, Supervisor of Secondary English Language Arts, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a copy to attach in Google Classroom. The topics we're going to cover today include making a copy of an assignment, attaching the copy of the assignment, and turning in the assignment. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a copy of an attachment your teacher has added to an assignment so that you can upload it yourself. We're going to start by clicking on classwork. We're going to see here that lesson 1 is open, and this is the lesson on creating a copy to attach. Let's click on view assignment. And if your teacher has set it up so that each student gets their own copy of the assignment, you'd actually have a copy of the Google Doc up here with your name on it. Unfortunately, it looks like here your teacher kind of made a mistake and didn't set it up that way. So there's one way for you to fix this. So let's click on lesson 1. And you're going to notice here that lesson 1, you can't do anything in it. You can't click on it, you can't do anything, and that's because this little box here says request edit access. Sometimes you might be able to edit it, but in reality, editing this document is not going to help you any because you can't submit this document once you've started working in it, because every student can work in it. So you need to make a copy for yourself. So you're going to go up to the top and click on File, and you're going to click Make a Copy. And this will pop up with a little box for you, and you want to make sure that you appropriately label your document so that both you know what it is and your teacher knows what it is. So I'm going to call this one Sample Student because that's my student in here, Lesson 1. And I'm going to just save it to my drive, and I'm going to click OK. Now when I do this, what's going to happen is my copy of this document is going to pop up. This is the easy part because now I can go in and do my work in here. So my work was, what is the one thing you miss most about school? I don't know. I miss seeing my friends. Now it does say to write 1 to 2 paragraphs, but for this one, I'm going to give you 1 sentence to make it faster. So if you can actually just close this document right out and it will save your work. Now the problem is when you go back to your Google Classroom, you now need to be able to attach that document for your teacher to see. So on the right-hand side, under your work, you're going to click Add or Create. You're going to click on Google Drive. This is going to bring up a bunch of documents for you, but if you click on My Drive, and then you click, if you look, you'll see here, there's the assignment that you recently created. So if you click on that, and then you click Add, give it a second to attach. The document you created is now attached. Now, if you want to double check to make sure it's the right one, you can click on the document and up it comes. There it is. It says, see, I miss seeing my friends. So I'll close that out and I go back. And the next step is to actually turn it in. So over here, you have the option to turn it in right now. So if you're ready to go and you're ready to submit that to your teacher, you just click Turn In. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Here you can also click on it again to make sure it's the right one. I just did, so I don't need to do that. And I click Turn In. We'll give it a second. And now my teacher will have access to my document. If you make a mistake and you want to fix that, you can actually click here and click Unsubmit. If you click Unsubmit, it'll pop back up and you can go in and make changes, and then you can always go back and turn it in again.